back to the channel, guys. We're excited tonight because we're going to get this quarter on here, aren't we? We're going to cut away the rest of this rust and all this stuff and go ahead and get the quarter on there so then we can make this from, we'll take the tire off and
do it from underneath.
Because then the quarter will be there so we can get it exactly right. So, guys, let's get it started. All right, Hunter, we got to figure out how to get this off here. I think that's what you do you?
I don't know.
I mean, these old cars, I don't know. The Mustang was easy.
It had an Allen.
It had an Allen. But I think you have to pop this. I need maybe a hammer. You think?
Maybe. Is there just a Phillips screw over there?
There's Phillips screw here, here, and that looks like it. Then I have to get that off. Then it should just pull right up. Hunter had to come in here and get this off for me. I was battling with this little bitty thing. This thing. To get this this window crank off. And Hunter come in here with his little tools. He come in here with He come in here with this and popped it right out of there for me.
It took a little bit.
It took a minute, but hey, at least it's out, man. So we got to get this off so we can get inside that, to the back side of that quarter. And so we can put these clamps on when we cut this. Hey!
There we go.
There it is. Now we got to take this off right there. Let me put that back.
Now we can see through it.
There we go. Now we can get in there and do some work. What is this?
Piece of vinyl? What happened to you?
You know, a little rust. Me and the rust battling.
So we got a lot of this trimmed up. Now, what are we trimming on now?
I'm going to trim this and then get this rest way off. And then finish cutting this, I guess, with the grinder.
Yeah.
Because it'll be a lot easier. And then we can start putting it on.
Let's get it cutting.
Let's do it. That is sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you Tom?
No.
It's all about holding It's all about holding the drill right, ain't it?
Yeah. Gotta watch out for that rust.
Yeah, that's how it got me. It fell off, just cut me like a knife. But wow, we'll get this rust cut out and man, then we'll have it going.
How's it look?
Getting there.
Let me show them on video.
So we're cutting away all this rust. And I'll get all this foam out of here.
The rest of that looks like just surface, ain't it?
Yeah, that is. And then, you know, it foamed.
Yeah. Not bad.
Not bad.
So what? We're gonna hold up the panel and then what are we gonna do?
We'll probably hold it up and go ahead and clamp a few of those things on here to hold it in place.
So we can get ready to weld.
Yeah.
Well, let's get this panel on here because I'm so excited for this, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh, get my fingers out. That is just too cool. Can you hold it right there? Yeah. Test fit number 1. Alright, is that final marks?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you see it? Engage.
Well, we're gonna have to trim this up to get it to fit right, and then we're gonna get right back to it.
Yeah. We got this thing looking like Frankenstein right now.
It looks like a complete car again.
Oh man, it looks like a Nova now, don't it?
That thing's sturdy with those clips.
I know, look at this one.
Better than it was before.
It sounds better.
I know it does.
Hey, but hey, we got it there, so
And we have vice grips down the
we
bottom.
got vice grips holding the bottom. You know, the best tool in the world.
Yep.
We'll go through here and just tack a few just to make sure it stays in place.
We're gonna take a couple. We're not gonna do a whole lot right now
No.
because we're running short on
We're
time.
running short on time. But and this is going to be time consuming.
Very time consuming.
Yeah, I mean, because this is our first time. So we're learning.
And it's been hard to work up here because we've had to work on this thing.
Yeah, so
Well, our buddy did.
We got our buddy put a new cam in it, new lifters. Oh, dude, a lot of stuff. So this thing's about to be out of here.
It's almost done, so we'll have more
Then we
time.
can really work on the Nova because we're going to get these quarters on here. We're going to get it running. Because today we got some mufflers for it.
Oh, yeah.
So we can put it on there so we can start it where it won't blast our eardrums. So let's get over here and hit a few welds on this.
That's it.
All right, guys. Well, we're going to hit a couple of spots so we can get
Bare metal.
some bare metal, so we can go ahead and tack a few little spots up just to make sure it stays in place.
Yeah.
'Cause we don't want it to happen like what happened on it. That's not the spot. My battery's dead, but that's enough to get it tacked in.
Yep.
Is that dead, really?
Yep.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna get to tacking this real quick. That speed's too high. I might have to go a little bit. A little bit hotter. There it is. Yeah, we just had to play around and get our speed right.
Mm-hmm.
beautiful. And they got that string long, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Well, we got it tacked. If you can zoom in here, we've tacked the spot right there, right here.
Couple other spots.
Here, here. And that way we know it's not going to fall off tonight in our sleep. We almost had a fire.
Yep.
We caught this paper on fire right here, guys.
Had to stomp on it.
So, guys, that's a lot of work because that took quite a bit just to get that handle off that thing.
We've been up here for like 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, and that's an act of Congress to take that crank handle off there. I didn't know it has some kind of clip in there. I got frustrated. Hunter took over, and he just popped it right out of there. And I was like, But, you know, that's the way it goes. One can't do it, the other one will.
Yep.
So that's the way we work around here. So, guys, well, so far we're going to have this done, hopefully. Well, this will take a while because we'll have to...
We'll do a lot of it off camera.
Yeah, a lot.
It's just going to take forever.
You know, you spot weld and you jump around. You don't just do it like a weld.
Or you'll warp it.
Or it warps it. And it's already, this car's already warped enough. This part is so much stronger than that part.
Yeah. But once it comes together, it's all going to be strong.
Once it makes one piece, it's going to be great. We love the Lincoln welder.
Works amazing.
Works amazing. We just got to get our adjustments right because I had the wire coming out too fast there for a minute. And guys, hey, this is going to be pretty fun.
So that's it for this video.
Yeah, that's it, guys. So make sure that you like, subscribe, tell a friend, get everyone you know to start watching, guys. Appreciate you for watching.